a multitasking robot directed to install and pursue the exploitation of gas pipelines. The robot is smart to an extent that it can also repair damages without any single human intervention.
We are presenting the Industry 4.0 through different products. One of the products is a robot that we use for the pipeline inspection, so we can get the data in real time, plus an image in real time, so we can, the philosophy of such product is not to send people to a risky area. You send the robot, you bring the data, and you take a decision.
The robot identifies gas leak points, repair disruptions, even those discovered deeply underground. Qualities that give flexibility and speed for local communities to immediately intervene with less efforts and less expenses.
We made this robot to tell the world that we also can invent robots. We're capable to make robots. The problem is not only with emissions. Take the example of municipalities' interventions team. Whenever they have a drill emission, they feel unable to detect the real problem. A small robot like this one sends very exact details about the distance and the nature of the problem. More than that, the robot sends solutions for the problem located underground. Drilling can be avoided and the emission can be accomplished much easier.
An Algerian smart robot made with Algerian hands competes countries that made long steps in the robotic field. An invention that will lessen risks for energy companies, minimize expenses, and will help manage repair deadlines.